As children, lesson number 7, places of worship. In this chapter, what and all you are going to learn? Temple, mosque, church, gurudwar, yajari, derasar, vihar. Okay children, where do you go to pray to God? Where you will go to pray to God, children? If you are going to temple means you write temple. If you are going to church means you write church. If you are going to mosque means you write mosque. Okay, mosque. So where does your friends go to pray to God? So where is your friend will go, children? If he is going to temple, you write temple. If he is going to church means you write church. So ask your friend and write there. Okay, we pray to God and thank Him every day. We go to special places to worship God. They are called places of worship. A place of worship is specially designed structure where people come to perform religious activity. Okay children, we will pray to God, no children, and thank Him every day. We will thank Him every day, no. So we will go to special place to worship God. So where you will go, children? You will go to temple, no. So Muslims they will go to mosque. Christians they will go to church, no children. So there are called places of worship. A places of worship is specially designed and structure where the people come to perform their religious activity. Okay children, so the place of worship is specially designed. So the temple is designed like this, so the mosque will be designed like this, so the church will be designed like this, yes or no? So where the people to come and perform their religious activity, there is etiquette, behavior is there not to follow one when one is visiting a place of worship. So they will follow some behaviors, no children. One is visiting a place of worship. If you will go to temple means what you will do? You will join your hands and you will close your eyes. Okay, and you will pray to God. Okay children, in mosque they will go means they will do the prayers. In church they will go means they will do the prayers. No, so like that different they will perform different religious activity. No children, so Hindus offer their prayer in temples. The Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita are their holy books. See children, this is Ramayana. So this is Bhagavad Gita. Okay children. So Muslims offer their prayers and namaz in mosque. They offer namaz 5 times a day. Their holy book is the Quran. Okay children, Muslims offer their prayers and namaz in mosque, no. This is mosque. Okay, they offer namaz for 5 times a day, children. So they have there is a holy book is known as Quran. Okay children, Muslims holy book is Quran. Okay children, see children, Quran. Okay, so Christians goes to church to offer prayers. They sing hymns in church. Their holy book is Bible. So Christian they will go to church, no their children, they will offer prayers. Which is their holy book, children? Bible is the holy book, no. See children, this is Bible, the holy book of Christian. Okay children. Okay children, now Hindus holy book are Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. So Muslims holy book is Quran. So Christian holy book is Bible. Okay children, understood?